Hey guys, welcome back to the Python tutorial series. I am Spurge and you're watching the Coding Corner. In the previous video, we talked about the introduction to Python and the syllabus of the series. And today, we are finally getting started with Python. But before that, let us first see what are the software requirements for the same. Also, we've got a small assignment for you because to be honest, learning programming goes in vain without hands-on training. Alright, let's dive into it. So, talking about the tools we need the Python installer. Okay, for that, let's open your browser. I'll open my browser here and type in the search bar Python. Okay, the first site comes here is python.org. Open it and click the Python 3.8.3 below the download for Windows. It is the latest version available right now. After it's downloaded, run the .exe file. An installation wizard will appear. Check the Add Python 3.8 to path and then click Customize Installation. Don't change anything here. Click on Next. Okay, so here choose Install for all users and then choose a simple path directory. Let's say Python slash Python 3.8. Let's say 383. Then click on the install button. Okay, so here it has started installing. Guys, if you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you're always on your track towards progress. If you encounter any problems regarding the topics covered today, feel free to leave a DM on our Instagram. You can join our Discord server as well. We are eager to get your doubts solved. Follow us on Instagram for daily quizzes and amazing facts. All the links are given in the description box below. If you feel we can better ourselves in presentation manner or our explanation method, do let us know in the comment section below so that we can work on it and provide a better learning experience to you. Okay, so it's installed successfully. Close the installation wizard and open the CMD just to check whether Python is properly installed on your machine or not. Open CMD and type Python. Hit enter. See, here we've got the details of the Python version installed. Okay, also we get an IDE named idle with Python installation package. For now, we'll use that for basic programs. You'll get to see it in the recently added section of the start menu. Let's open idle and type in some basic commands. Yeah, it's here. Let's type print hello world. Hello world. Okay. Yeah, cool. Let's type 2 plus 3. Here it is. 2 multiplied by 3. Okay, so we have all the outputs. It indicates that Python is working properly. Lastly, your interest. Now, we are trying our level best to keep the episodes interesting. If you feel we can improve, we welcome your suggestions. The link to the Python installer is provided in the description box below. Finally, the interesting part of this video, right? We have basic yet simple assignment for you. Write a program to add two numbers and print the solution. You can add any two numbers and print its result. You can do it. It just needs a few minutes of effort. Alright, that was it. I hope it was not boring as the previous one and you liked it. If you liked it, hit the like button and share it with friends so that they can even learn a new skill right away. So, that's it for the day. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay tuned and happy coding.